will you make my wish come true? What do I mean by that? Okay, next Saturday is my birthday. I'm not fishing for no presents or anything like that. But the very one wish that I have for you guys is that you don't give up. You don't give up. All those that are depressed, that have anxiety, feel like they want to give up. The one wish that I have for you guys is for you to decide I'm going to continue for another day. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to continue fighting. I'm going to continue no matter what circumstances I'm going to show love to myself. I'm going to pick myself first. I'm going to love myself, and I'm going to continue on the journey that I'm on, no matter what. Right? Not to give up. There's so many people, like I look into my social media, Twitter, Instagram, there's so many people that are just down at the moment, whether it's via social media or in actual life. Speak to so many people like every day, and they're down in the dumps. They're depressed, they want to kill themselves, they've got to have some sort of problem, and it's normally down to somebody else, causing them problems. And it's really sad to see that social media can be very toxic. So that's the one wish that I have for you guys. So, can you make that come true? When you can, let me know. Leave a comment on wherever you're seeing this. If you're seeing this, I care about you and I love you. That's why this has been said direct to you. If you're just seeing this on YouTube, then it's safe and good. If you're watching this, then you're meant to see this for a reason. I'm not the type of person to send negative stuff online or on social media. I show love, I show positivity, and it's just positive energy at the end of the day. So I just want to know, are you going to make my wish come true, that one wish, to keep fighting another day? And no matter how dark it is, what storm you're going through, the storm will pass, everything passes. That's my message. I'm learning so much from everybody on social media anyway that's like this. I'm hearing from them, actually listening to them, and it's apparent that a lot of people in their real life just don't listen or don't care about them or seem to care about them, and they can't express how they feel. So it's good, that someone will listen, that I'm a good listener and I'm willing to do that for them. But that's my one wish, my birthday coming next Saturday. That's all I want, to see you guys happy. That's priceless. It's better than any gift I could receive, for myself. So yeah, that's what I want. So let me know. Anyway, this is content. I'm gonna keep making videos, of course. Love you guys. And yeah, Karim David at 𝐷nutrition. Sorry, I made a mistake. 𝐷nutrition at KarimDavid.com. Look up. Don't give up. Love you.